Is your non-Windows app crashing because of the AutoCAD brand resource DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. This DLL file is a specialized resource library for Autodesk products. It stores branding assets, including logos and splash screen images, used to verify and display product identity during the software's startup process. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. The AutoCAD brand resource DLL is bundled directly with Autodesk AutoCAD and is not a Windows system file. Reinstalling the official Autodesk AutoCAD application package is the safest way to restore this dependency. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the AutoCAD brand resource file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of the AutoCAD brand resource DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for the AutoCAD brand resource. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Autodesk AutoCAD. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.